kabilang gwardya ng Coke.
Velasco nakapigan ni Tubig. Nakuha ni Helterbrand to Kagiwa. Kagiwa, binigay ko. Crisano nagkandarapa para doon sa bola pero wala pa rin. Yan ang science building. I think Crisano's more embarrassed than hurt. Ito, makikita ninyo nangyayari. Si Kagiwa decided to give it to Crisano. 10 minutes to go in the game. Kabagnot. Wala. And J.J. Helterbrand for the rebound. Helterbrand met by Kabagnot. Cross-court to Junti. Valenzuela tumira sa labas. Malakas. And Crisano keeps it alive. To Alexander to Kagiwa. Kagiwa puts it up and he scores.
Second time around, Chris Alexander has gotten an offensive rebound this quarter. Alam mo, wala nang buwa-box out kay Chris Alexander dito, and he's actually one of the biggest weapons of Barangay Ginebra. An extra possession, especially in the fourth quarter, is just huge.
11-point lead by Barangay Ginebra here in the fourth quarter with 9:27 remaining. We have this timeout. Okay mga kaibigan, kanina po inaward na yung mga premyo para sa ating batang PBA. Second place, Batang Alaska Aces Caloocan. At ang champions, Batang Talk and Text Quezon City. Mythical team, ang MVP Jay Habelosa. Congratulations. Yan po yung mga, yan si Jay Habelosa, yung MVP, no ha? Ito yung labanan ng batang PBA. Yung mga teams dyan, mga teams din ng PBA. At maganda rin yung pangapangalan ng uniforme nila. Yung pangalan ng mga player ng yung mga tunay na PBA players. Kaya nakakatuwa eh. Here's Dixon. Oh! Swatted away by Chris Alexander. Here comes J.J. Helterbrand. Helterbrand pulls up. Dinabas kay Billy Mamaril. Balagali kay Helterbrand. Binigay kay Billy Mamaril. Right in front of the basket.
A while ago, I mentioned that itong mga big man ng Barangay Ginebra has been the question mark. But in today's game, nakatulong itong si Billy Mamaril at si Eric Meng.
Dixon against Mamaril. There's the double team by Kagiwa. Out to Dumaunahan. Dumaunahan inside. Nakita niya si Alexander. Teka, sabi ko, tama ba ito ginagawa dito? And Alexander picks it up. Gets it over to Helterbrand. Helterbrand slices through. Wala. Alexander gets the offensive board. Gets it back to Helterbrand. Oh, nabitawan. Here comes Copeland. Copeland hinabol ni Junto Valenzuela and he gives up the foul to prevent the easy two. And Junti now has 2 personal fouls. Bumabalik si Eric Meg para kay Billy Mamaril sa panig ng Ginebra. 8 minutes and 28 seconds to go. That's the score. 14-point lead by Barangay Ginebra. Dixon, laban kay Eric Meg. Malakas. Chris Alexander easily gets the rebound. Ginebra slows it down. Good to Valenzuela to Chris Alexander to Mark Kagiwa. Kagiwa sees an opening against Kabagnot. Outside for Coca-Cola.
Although itong Barangay Ginebra still enjoying that 13-point lead, things have slowed down for both teams scoring-wise last couple of minutes.
Copeland. Dinabas kay Kabagnot. Dumaunahan. Agayon Butigi. He was hoping for a foul, didn't get it. Kagiwa versus Kabagnot and Taulaba. And the ball goes out of bounds and it's saved. Teka muna. Ano ba tawag? Yes, it will be Ginebra ball. Samantala, Ron J. Buenafe comes back in para sa Coca-Cola. Papalitan si Alex Kabagnot. Ronald Tubid is also in for J.J. Helterbrand.
Napapansin natin, ito si JJ Helterbrand. He's, tinitipid talaga yung mga minuto niya. Pag humahabol yung Coca-Cola, kailan siya bumabalik. And that's the time na yung 12 that rally.
Chris Alexander draws the foul on an awkward shot from Jason Dixon.
And a foul according to Jason Dixon. His third 17 foul on the Tigers.
2 shots coming up para kay Chris Alexander. Alexander hasn't scored a bundle, but he has been a mighty presence inside the paint para sa Barangay Ginebra, both on offense and defense. You see his numbers there, but yung malaki doon yung 4-shot blocks. Malaki yun.
Yung 4-shot blocks na yun, yun yung, syempre, yun yung natapik niya. But the number of times that he has made people change their mind about going to the lane, yun, hindi natin mabibilang yun.
Hindi naka-record yun eh. Pero surprise it kasi na maraming nagpalit ng galaw at nag-iba ng isip, no? Ay nakikita na lang nandun si Chris Alexander sa loob. 7:21 to go. Copeland. Medyo nagiging desperado yata ito sa Copeland dahil si Ronald Pubid para naka-trampoline na.
And a couple of opportunities for Coca-Cola. 1 pass, 1 shot. Hindi na sila they've been unable to get to their offense.
Medyo nag-aapura. Here's a turnover. And Kagua holds down Donald Copeland. Second personal on Mike Kagua.
That's a 15 foul.
At pang-5 team foul na yan ng Barangay Ginebra. Meron pa tayong 7:02 remaining in the game. Paulalan natin muli mga kaibigan sa ating second game. Maganda rin banggaan yun. Red Bull versus Pure Foods. Velasco's open. Yeah! Dientes para kay Nick Velasco.
More than 4 minutes itong Coca-Cola Tigers have been scoreless. And finally, they get an open shot courtesy of Nick Velasco.
15 points now delivered by Nick Velasco. Kagua against Benefe. Kagua score.
Grabe ang Barangay Ginebra. Ang bilis sumagot dun sa mga puntos ng Coca-Cola.
That can be very frustrating for a team like Coca-Cola na naghahabol. Here's Velasco. Copeland against Alexander. Balik ulit kay Copeland. Tumira na sa labas. Yes! That's a long two from Donald Copeland. Tribute to Alexander.
First time itong Coca-Cola that will change up their defense.
Kagua from the outside. Eric Nick for the offensive rebound. Pero masakit para sa Coca-Cola. Nakuha pa ng Ginebra yung rebound. And looks like Coach Jong Ichiko sees a need for a timeout. With 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining in the game, Ginebra with an 11-point lead at 80-69. We'll be back after these words. Alright mga kaibigan, balik po tayo sa Araneta Coliseum ng ating Buhay Coke shot. Nakikita po natin si Donald Copeland with a nice layup. Our Buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad, kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo. Naimbag na rin yung aming po sa ating mga kaibigan sa Northern Luzon at sa ating mga kababayan naman dyan sa Tawi-Tawi. Magsumol mga kabagayan. Assalamualaikum sa Mira Matolo. At dito po sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum, mga kaibigan, pulong-pulo na po. Alam ganda ng double header natin eh. Coca-Cola versus Ginebra. Pagkatapos, Red Bull versus Pure Foods. 2-for-1.